In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add a navigation menu in WordPress. If you've just installed WordPress or you're customizing your website and wondering how to create and display a proper menu at the top of your site, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working navigation menu that helps visitors move around your website easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your WordPress website. Go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you manage pages, posts, design, and settings. From the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and hover over Appearance. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Menus. This will take you to the Menu Management page, where you can create and edit navigation menus. If you don't already have a menu created, you'll see an option to create a new one. Click on Create a New Menu. Now you'll be asked to give your menu a name. You can call it something simple like Main Menu. The name is mainly for your reference, so visitors won't see it. After typing the name, click on the Create Menu button. Now your blank menu is ready. The next step is to add items to it. On the left-hand side, you'll see different sections like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, and Categories. Most commonly, you'll want to add your main pages, such as Home, About, Services, or Contact. Click on the Pages section to expand it. You'll see a list of your existing pages. Check the boxes next to the pages you want to include in your navigation menu. After selecting them, click the Add to Menu button. You'll now see those pages appear on the right-hand side under the Menu Structure section. From here, you can organize your menu items. Simply click and drag the items to rearrange their order. If you want to create a drop-down menu, drag one item slightly to the right underneath another item. This will make it a sub-menu item. This is useful if you want to group related pages together under one main heading. Once you're happy with the structure, the next very important step is to assign the menu to a display location. Scroll down to the Menu Settings section. You'll see options for display location. Depending on your theme, you may see options like Primary, Header, or Main Menu. Check the box for Primary or the main location provided by your theme. This ensures the menu appears at the top of your website. After selecting the display location, click the Save Menu button. This step is crucial. If you don't click Save, your changes won't be applied. Now visit the front end of your website in a new tab and refresh the page. You should now see your newly created navigation menu displayed in the header area. Click through the links to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a navigation menu in WordPress. As you continue building your site, you can always come back to Appearance and Menus to edit, add, remove, or rearrange items anytime you want. If this video helped you learn how to add a navigation menu in WordPress, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.